Hi all, I'm Danny, and welcome to my mulberry tree. This is a white mulberry tree. However, the berries can be either white, black, red, or purple when ripe. Make sure you learn what the ripe berries look like on any mulberry tree you pick from. If you consume enough unripe mulberries, it could cause stomach upset. Ensure proper identification of your tree before picking. Always. And most importantly, don't forget to stop and observe. The beauty is all around you. The spirit of a tree is magical, ancient, and wise. The relationship between a human and the land is a delicate one that demands mutual respect. So always make sure to give thanks. Now to wash my hands and make some jam. These are some ingredients that I enjoy. I prefer to gift my jam, and while preparing, I set my intention, using each bit of energy spent while crafting to infuse care and love into every bite. Gifts infused with love. Wildcraft gifting is cost-effective, more sustainable, thoughtful, and fulfilling. Mulberry jam is a perfect gift for a friend or a loved one. This is Danny from Every Which Way. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this ambient video or would like to see a more upbeat video in the future, please let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe.